normal water. So I'll take some outside. And this is how I mix my oats. Yeah. So this will be our sweetness. Yeah, this is how we are going to do this one. From 8 months going can eat it. Yeah, if you want to give it from 6 months, then you need to blend it. Yeah, make it smooth. From 10 months going, they can eat without blending. Yeah, 8 months also, everything let it be soft, you know. Or you can blend it. I have already have the how you can make your oatmeal powder for your baby. It's all in my page. You check it. Go if you have time. I have more than 1,000. Yeah. Good morning, how are you? I thought I need to contact you by the time. I'll contact you, okay? I hope you also good. We are doing good. Just now, all the children go out and I'll show live videos. If I have time today, I'm free, no work. Where's the water? I take it. Yeah. That's the hot water. Yeah. Thank you. We thank God. After this, I'm going to sleep for maybe 3 to 4 hours before these boys come. But I need to do editing. It's not easy. Mother of 2, husband working for 4 days, plus content monetization job. My part-time job. Yeah, it's not easy. This page I built just less than 3 years. Yeah, 2023. So getting to 3 years, I built this page. But God be the good, and God be the glory. Everything is good. Only thing you need, if you want to be a content creator, you need to get time for your page. You need to build up. It's not easy to get these followers, but always thinking it's not easy. Always I think to bring something. See, now it's okay now. Okay. So we are come to. Let me put it off. I'm coming to mash my banana. Papa said he wants. You know this one too, you can add egg yolk to it. My children don't want to eat a banana like this, so if you mix with this type, then they eat a lot. Should I bring this here? Oh, okay. Let me find some way to. Here will be good. This page, I don't do live videos, so it's make me something. Let me see if your hair will be good. Okay. This is my banana, you see. I'm not going to mix all, yeah? I'm not going to use all the banana. The best way, if you blend it, it's not good. So if you want to blend it, then you need to steam the banana. Then it will not change the color. Yeah, you steam it. I have already posted how you can steam your banana if you want to steam it. That's how we do. And you press it like this. I see some black things. I need to remove it. From 12 months going, if you don't have money to continue for formula, yeah, you can use the whole milk, yeah, whole milk, like here, that full milk, yeah. Then in Africa they call it full milk, or you count to full milk, yeah, if you don't have money to continue. But my children only thing, the small one was good. The big one, I bought, he drink for milk till 4 years. It's not easy. But the small one, I think when he was almost 2 years, he stopped because he couldn't he couldn't get mama breast milk for long, just 5 to 6 months. Because this boy started daycare when he was just 3 months. Not me, because now I was going to school. But the big one started daycare when he was 1.5 years. So he enjoyed mama breast milk for 1 year. Okay, so this is how it looks. I see it's so light, so I'll add some more water to it. It's so thick together. The same you make it if you want to give it for 4-month-old baby. Yeah, you add more water to get so light. You finish. You don't need any blender to blend banana. Some children don't want to see that that thing inside. You see, banana, you can strain it, yeah. But if you strain it, you are throwing all the good thing away. So I'll add small. First time, don't make too much because you want them to taste if they like it. Yeah. Not easy, yeah? I'm praying. I don't know if third baby will come, but if third baby will come, hey, a lot of recipe will cry here. You need to get special bowl for your children, eh? Like baby like this, you get smallish, you see? You get smallish, you give it to them, they will like it. You get their specialty, don't use your own. Yeah? Buy something for your children. Spend. Like me, always. Your baby new thing. It's ready. It's ready. See, breakfast. This is breakfast. You see, nice breakfast. See how it look. This is breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. Breakfast. So when you give this portion, small portion, and you see, oh, my baby enjoy this, then let me continue. Next time you let be half. Another time 4. If 12-month-old child or baby can eat full of this, is good. If your 6 to 7 month to 8 months can eat this quantity, is good. Don't force them to eat too much. If they don't like it, they don't like it. And let me give you another tips. If you want to breastfeeding, if you want to make so food like this, don't mention to them. If your child don't like food, don't tell you, oh, I'm going to make you a breakfast, I'm going to make oats. After finish, you eat. I always make it and I give it to them, because when you mention their name, they will not touch nothing. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy your breakfast. See you next live video. Bye bye. A lot of recipes. I'm going to post a lot today. Today I will try to post maybe 5 to 10. I will do my best. If I get 5 posts today, I do my best. Yeah, a lot. I'm going to give you for toddlers, yeah, from 12 months going, maybe 4 or 5 recipes today. Yeah, I'm going to do the editing now, and then I'll post it. And I'm going to give you, we have already started 7 days meal plan for 8 months, no, 10 months going. Yeah, I'm going to update. We are number day 6 today. I think I didn't post, no, I post day 3. I'm going to post day 6 today. Yeah, so if you haven't seen it, or you are first person in this page, go back. You see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and today I'm going to share the 6 here. Okay, enjoy my page and God bless you. Bye bye.